Oh, hi! You caught me researching ways to offset my recent flight with Sparksight. What is Sparksight? Well, an online tool that helps visualize the impact of offsetting with clean cooking projects.
Sorry, what does cooking have to do with carbon offsetting?
Good question, Sally. And I'm sure you're all wondering the same thing. Let's dive into the tool to find out. Cooking in developing countries looks a lot different than it does here in Amsterdam. Take this family in Uganda. They use a traditional open fire to cook, which means burning a lot of firewood that emits harmful smoke. This smoke contributes to 2% of all global emissions.
Whoa! That's the same amount of the total global flight emissions!
Good comparison. But the major difference is these families aren't exactly taking a vacation to the tropics. In fact, there are detrimental health risks associated with traditional cooking methods.
So you're saying I can impact lives by offsetting my carbon?
Yes, Sally. And if you'd let me show you Sparksight, you would see how. Patience is a virtue, my friend. Using this super easy calculator, you can input the amount of carbon emission you or your organization wants to offset, like office supplies or your daily commute to work. Then the impact visualizer shows how your carbon offset would benefit the community. See, today the credits I purchased with my small business provided the equivalent of 40 full-time jobs. Okay, but seriously, this is not about giving me an online pat on the back. It's about telling the story of how your non-reducible emissions can make a global impact.
Why do you need a new tool? This sounds like a new job for me.
You would say that, Siri, but you provide so much data, which makes finding a reliable source of information hard. Sparksight, however, provides me with carefully curated information in the form of graphs and visuals based on my carbon offset. Plus, it's transparent about concerns and risks surrounding the clean cooking projects.
Okay, I'm curious. How do you guys build it?
I didn't. Dutch Spark teamed up with Digital Society School to build trust in the real impact of clean cooking. Here's the team to tell you how.
Our multidisciplinary team used a combination of design thinking and Scrum methodologies. This is an experimental method that uses cycles of user research, translation, and creation.
To do this, we were provided with a design methods toolkit that helped us to know our users, define our questions, generate ideas, and create.
Throughout the design process, we co-created with our partners to generate new insights and feedback.
Our solution is a cross-cultural tool that at its core bridges a communication gap, builds trust, and reliability through data.
What are you waiting for? Try Sparksight now!